Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's another very hot day in Kerala and today we're doing some outdoor activities. So the first one we're doing is cycling, as you can obviously see. We're doing 14 kilometers around the countryside. That's Michael from Switzerland. So there's a whole bunch of us here cycling together, and then after this activity we are doing some kayaking. So we were all thinking that it was going to be too hot cycling along, but it's actually really lovely because we've got the breeze. So we're all feeling a bit cooler now. We came off the main road a moment ago and we're still on a road, but more of a country road. And it's a really lovely scenery. Palm trees everywhere. And it's very peaceful actually. I'm more used to the life in the north of India, where it's obviously a much faster pace. But this is nice, very chilled. Hi! So it's actually the end of the harvest, so this boat is carrying all of the rice. Pretty heavy sacks by the looks of it. There's quite a few boats up and down the river that you can see. So activity number 2 today is kayaking. But only a few of us have decided. Oh my god!
Sorry, babe.
She said she knew how to paddle.
I was looking at Daniel.
I was doing a lovely introduction to her. This is Alice.
Hi, 5 minutes of fame.
Daniel. Hi.
Let's go, let's do this.
So as I was saying, only a few of us have decided to do this today. Everyone else is on the boat. You can see them now. So let's go explore the backwaters. Hello.
We're having fun.
Look, it's proof that they did it. I've literally never seen so many ducks in one place in my life. This is crazy. So this evening we're camping with Calypso Tours or Calypso Adventures, and we've had a long drive today, but the final part of the journey before we reach the tents is in these cool jeeps. So we're on our way up into the hills to find our campsite. So these are our tents for this evening, and as you can see, it's a bit more glamping than it is camping. I presume there's actually beds inside there, but it's a lovely location. We're quite high up in the hills, so the climate's a lot cooler. And apparently tonight we're going to have a bonfire, so everyone's super excited. So I've got myself a chai, and just while everyone's taking some photos, I'm going to take a quick look around the tent. Let's have a look. It's really dark. Can you guys see? Is it too dark? Can you see this? So there's 3 beds, 4 beds in fact. Fairly simple, but pretty nice. Looks comfortable enough. Good morning, you guys. It is 5 a.m. and we've just spent the past hour walking up a fairly narrow track. So now we're on the big hill that we could see from the campsite, and we're all going to watch the sunrise over the towns below. So although we very much enjoyed the sunrise, we were slightly misinformed as to which angle the sun was going to be at. So my time lapse isn't great, but it's not all about the video. At least we actually enjoyed watching it. Now we're staying up here for a little bit longer and waiting for the rest of the group to join, and then we're going on another hike to some tea plantations. Thank you. We're starting on the second part of the hike today. Coming downhill is a lot easier. And check out these views. It looks so pretty. With the winding road going in between the tea plantations.
It doesn't look like
Noodles.
It's not gonna, it's not starting.
Why not? So we're on our way to the tribal village, right?
Yes.
Okay, what's the name of the village?
Lovely.
Lovely. And the landscape around is so beautiful.
Yeah.
So I feel like I've cheated by coming on the bike for this last bit, but it's fun.
Park teacher.
With the mud, and outside there is thick one more layer. There is plastered, and the other layer you can see. Other layer also you can see, right?
This is great. So this is inside one of the local houses. And it's brilliant. It's so low down, I think I'd be too tall to live in here. But it's absolutely immaculate. You see, everything is kept so clean. Puts me to shame. So this is obviously the cooking area. So behind me they'd have the fire, and then just above me is where all the dried goods are. So there's onions, lots of different masalas, all stuff ready to be cooked. I hope you guys have all enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.